Assalamualaikum student, I am Priya Joel here to tell you about the functions in MS Excel. In our previous lecture, we have studied about different formulas and today we are going to explore functions in MS Excel. So, let's start the journey. The first thing which comes in your mind is that what is functions? So, functions are basically predefined formulas. Predefined formulas means that the formulas which are already available in Excel. Okay, so functions are already available in Excel. Whenever we want to apply any kind of function, for example, sum, average, maximum, minimum, or any other function, you just simply click on it and it will give you the answer. Okay, so before going ahead, just have a look on the examples of functions. We are having, for the time being, we are simply focusing on these functions which are available in your book. That is sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, and if. So let's start exploring one by one. Okay, now sum function. As the name suggests you that the sum function is basically used to add values which we given in the specified set of cells. So how we are going to apply the sum function? Just see the example which I am going to show you in MS Excel sheet. Okay, so here we are. This is your Excel sheet. So where we get the formula or function in the Excel sheet, what you have to do is to simply type is equal to sign from your keyboard. Whenever you want to apply any kind of formula or function in Excel sheet, you have to begin with is equal to sign. Remember, it is very important. If you don't type the is equal to sign, it will simply give you an error. Okay, so as you seen, when I have typed is equal to sign from the keyboard, my address bar changes into formula bar and I got an option of built-in function. So if you click on this drop down arrow, you will have different functions available here like average, sum, if, hyperlink, count, max, sin, and so on. So how we can use it? Just have a look on an example. For example, I have in a values like 34, okay, 56, 67. Okay, so these three values are I have. I want to apply the sum function. So what I will do, first of all, I will simply type is equal to sign from my keyboard and then I will click on here, select the option sum. See, it's give you the range that are you going to sum from A1 to A3? A1 means that you are starting your values from here. A is the column and the 1 is the row. Okay, so at A1 I have a value of 34. Then at A2 I am having a value of 56. And at A3 I am having a value of 67. So it is asking you that either you are going to add these three values. Yes, I am going to add these three values. Simply click on OK. See, I got the result, that is 157. And here you can again see that in the formula bar, the formula has been written for you is equal to sum A1 to A3. This is basically the range which you provide the function that from what is your starting value and which one is your ending value for applying this function. Okay, so let's have a look at another example. For example, I am having these values like 20, 45 and 30. Okay, so I want to add these three values. So what I will do, simply again I will type is equal to, again I will go there, click on sum. Now it is asking me that I am going to apply this function from C1 to E1. Either I want to add from C1 like C20, 45 to 30. These three values I want to add. If your answer is yes, then simply click on OK. And it gives you the answer 95. See again here in the formula bar that formula or function of this value has been written on it. Okay. So this is how we can sum the value. Okay. So now move to second function, that is average function. What average functions do? It is used to find the average of the specified cell's data. Okay. So again I will show you that how you can find average of the given values in Excel sheet by using average function. Okay. So now here again I am going to provide some value, for example 90, 80 and 70. Okay. So I want to take the average of these three numbers. Okay, so what I will do, simply as I told you earlier, that whenever you are supposed to write formula or function, you have to press is equal to sign from the keyboard. Okay, so again I will go here, select the function you want to take the average, just simply click on it. Now it is asking you that we are going to take the average from A1 to A3. Yes, my answer is yes. Yes, I want to take the average of these three values. So simply click on OK and it will give you the result, that is 80. See, in the formula bar again we are having a function written over here. So this is how we make our calculations very easy in MS Excel. I hope you understand it. Please try by yourself and give me the feedback. And if you like my lecture or video, don't subscribe and like this video as well. Thank you so much.